For Udyam registration, visit udyamregistration.gov.in. Click on new entrepreneurs who are not registered at as MSME or those with EM2. Click here. Once you click that page, you will arrive at this page. As the name suggests, it's the Udyam Aadhaar. Enter your Aadhaar number and the name as per Aadhaar. Click on Validate and Generate OTP. Enter Aadhaar number, put the name and click on this button. Once you enter Aadhaar number, name and verify the OTP, you will get like your Aadhaar number has been successfully verified. Now, next step is PAN verification. Enter the PAN details. It's a nature of your business type of organization, whether it's a proprietary partnership, LLP company, to mention it and enter the PAN number, name of the company or the name of the person, and date of birth of the date of incorporation or date of birth. If it's an individual proprietor, it's a date of birth you have to enter, or date of otherwise date of incorporation you should enter. Then have you filed the ITR for the previous year? It generally it will come automatically. And now the question is, do you have the GSTN? If you have GSTN, click on yes, otherwise no. If your product is such that it's like if exempted goods like vegetables, egg, chicken, or any other exempted good, click on exempted. Now enter the place of your business, manufacturing plant business or anything like, as you know, it is self-explanatory. Put all details: flat, name of the building, village, city, road, pin, state, district, etc. and click on add plant. And you have to enter your office name and address as well. Now it could be same as the above premise address, or it could be different also. Fill all these things same as above, and later you come to status of the enterprise. That means when the company or business, when the company is incorporated, or when you start the business, or when it could be when you took the GST registration, and it is the date of commencement of the business. Okay, this could be same many times, or if you did the incorporation earlier and started the business on later date, you can put the different date as well. And enter the bank details here: bank name, IFSC code, and bank account number. This is all about the nature of business, whether it is a manufacturing or services. You click on, if you are involved in any manufacturing business, click on manufacturing, otherwise service. Major line of activity, like whether it is a trading or non-trading. Trading means it's buying and selling of goods, and non-trading if it is a service. Now, in you have to mention the NIC code. And for NIC code, you can just Google it. See, if suppose if nature of business is hotel business, NIC code for restaurant. You can get it here also, and it will be always correct. And if you want, you can refer any other portal as well. Mention the NIC code, 4 digit and 5 digit. Like once you enter here, it will give the sub classification under a 2 digit code, and this is another sub classification under 4 digit code. Another thing in this form is you have to enter the email ID and mobile number of the person. In this, you will get the OTP for print and final submission. Mention the social category as well. This is one, sometimes it is not logical, because if you are making a registration for company, there is no such option like not applicable. You have to mention something, whether general, SC, ST, OBC. A private limited company, which caste it is, I don't know. And next, gender, click private limited company is male or female. It is not logical, but अभी आज हम assume करेंगे we are doing for a proprietor, a gender of a person. Click on male now. By the specialty able. अगर कुछ होता तो yes कर देना, नहीं तो no कर देना. And mention the name of the enterprise, the proposed name, if it is Venkateshwara Hotel, whatever the name you want to mention. And once you mention the name of the hotel or something, now click on add unit. It will take, okay. Then if you come here, location of the plant, just click here and choose the above entered name will pop up here, and select that one and click on add activity. Number of person employed, like if you in your hotel 5 male 5 females are working, just enter the number, okay, and the total will come automatically. No, here if it is a new business, all these things are put just 00 and go ahead. If it is an existing business you are running from the many years, you may need to put all these details. As a small MSME, this may not be applicable for you. Enter the total turnover, return on value of the planted unit, and this is as per like when you are watching this video. Okay, now all these thing, no problem. Click yes and enter the district. Click here and you will get the option of your state jurisdiction and enter the submission button, and OTP will be go to both of this email ID and mobile number. Okay, and MSME number will also get generated immediately. That's it. See you, friends.